In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date and time format in DocuSign. DocuSign is a powerful tool for managing electronic agreements, and having the correct date and time format is crucial for ensuring that your documents and communications are clear and organized. So let's dive right into the steps to make this change seamlessly. First, you'll want to start by logging into your DocuSign account. Once you're logged in, take a quick look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon, which is usually represented by your profile picture, or a generic person avatar if you haven't uploaded a picture. Click on this profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you're going to select the option labeled My Preferences. By selecting this, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can adjust various settings that pertain to your personal account. Now, with the My Preferences view in front of you, direct your attention to the left panel of the screen. Here, you will find a series of options that can be selected. You need to look for the option that reads Regional Settings and click on it. This section is crucial because it encompasses a range of settings that are linked to the geographical region you're operating in, one of them being the date and time format. Once you've navigated to the Regional Settings section, you should notice a drop-down list that is specifically designed for date/time format. Clicking on this drop-down will reveal a list of all the available formats you can choose from. This feature is particularly useful, as it allows you to select a date and time format that aligns with your regional standards or personal preferences. Take a moment to scroll through this list and review the options available. A tip here is to select a format that not only suits your current needs, but is also easily recognizable in the regions where you frequently interact. After you've made your selection and you're satisfied with your choice, the next step is to save these preferences. Simply click on the Save button, which is typically located at the bottom of the page, to confirm the changes you've made. Once this is done, your new date and time format should be applied across your DocuSign account, ensuring that all your documents going forward adhere to your selected preference. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to change the date and time format in DocuSign. Updating these settings not only helps maintain consistency, but also ensures clarity in all your document-related activities. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials like this one.